Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to the Daily English Show. Today's movie is called Due Date. It's an American comedy about two guys who are driving across America so that one of the guys can be home in time for his child's birth. The guys' names are Peter and Ethan Ethan isn't very clever. For example, he thinks the Grand Canyon is man-made when it obviously isn't. So Peter gets very frustrated with Ethan, and at one point he says that if he misses the birth of his child, he'll kill Ethan by wrapping his scarf around his neck and choking him. And Ethan says, "Seems a bit drastic." Drastic is an adjective which means extreme in a way that has a sudden, serious, or violent effect on something. Kia ora, in Stick News today, a man in New Zealand called the police after he woke up to find himself locked inside a pub. On Saturday the 9th of October at 5:30 a.m, a 42-year-old man woke up inside a pub in central Otago. He called the police and said he didn't want to attempt to leave for fear of triggering the alarm. NZPA reported that staff were baffled as to how they had missed the man when they closed at 3 a.m. And that was Stick News for Tuesday the 12th of October. Kia ora. Today's word is uphill. Uphill is an adjective which means sloping upwards, and it also means difficult. For example, an uphill struggle. The opposite of uphill is downhill. So if uphill means difficult, does downhill mean easy? Yes, it can mean easy. It means easy compared to what was before. But it can also mean for something to become worse. There's an idiom, be all downhill, which can be positive or negative depending on the context. But in today's movie, Ethan thinks the phrase is be all uphill, and they have a bit of an argument about it, which goes like this. My father always had a saying, when a day starts like this, it's all uphill from here. Uphill? No, it's all downhill from here. But everybody wants to be up, nobody wants to be down, so it's all uphill from here. But it's easier as you go downhill, so your dad didn't know what the fuck he was talking about. I could have sworn I read it was man-made. Well, I know it's not the Hoover Dam. That was built by the Pilgrims. No, not correct. It's the Grand Canyon, not the Hoover Dam. Also incorrect. True or false? The Grand Canyon is man-made. False. The Hoover Dam was built by the Pilgrims. False. An uphill struggle is easy. False. Downhill can mean easy or worse. True. Drastic means difficult. False. And that was the Daily English Show. Thank you for watching the show. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment or send us an email, thedailyenglishtshow@gmail.com. See you tomorrow. Bye.